Set in order, a winning border. Organize and optimize for peak efficiency. Set in order is all about organizing things smartly. Set in order is a translation of the Japanese words eton. In this phase of the success, we're going to learn how to arrange everything in a way that makes it super easy to find and use. Imagine your belongings having their designated spots, clearly marked so that anyone can find them without any trouble. Before we begin, let's make sure we have finished sorting our workspace. Set in order will not be effective if we still have items that we do not need. Our goal: make everything easy to find and use. The whole point of set in order is to create a system that's the same for everyone. We want a way to store and get our tools and stuff that's always the same, no matter who's using it. This helps us work better and faster. Now, some simple tips for setting in order. Keep your pals together. If items are used together, let's ensure they remain close companions on the shelf. Just like a pen and paper or a knife and fork in a utensil tray, they should always be found side by side, ready to work together seamlessly. Favorites up front. Guess what we do with things we use all the time? Let's keep them closer to us, just like having our go-to pen or essential tools right at hand. Remember, the things you use a lot should be kept close to you. It's all about convenience. Easy reach. Imagine we're playing a game of no bending, no twisting. The stuff we use should be so easy to get to that we don't have to stretch or twist a lot. In order to create harmony, time to set the stage for easy-peasy access. Organize items according to their usage frequency. Think of it as having our tools, pens, and essentials at the ready, meticulously arranged from the most commonly utilized to the less frequent, akin to the meticulous arrangement of instruments in a surgeon's operating theater. Here are some of our favorite tools for sorting our workspace. Let's get started. Labels. Labels are like little stickers that show us where things belong. We can put labels on drawers, shelves, and even on the floor. So even if someone new comes in, they can figure out where things go. Using this example, we see parts sorted by type and number. Note the containers with distinct colors and unique identification labels for clarity. Color coding. Colors are more than just shades. They're a universal language that transcends words. When applied to workplace organization, colors provide a quick and distinct way to convey information, guiding individuals to understand areas, purposes, and precautions. Here's a glimpse of the color code and its corresponding meanings across various work contexts. Yellow designates aisleways, traffic lanes, exit routes, and work cells or specific contained areas of work. White applies to production areas and defines spaces for racks, machines, carts, and benches. Red signals defect scrap areas and red tag areas. Orange utilized in material or product inspection zones and marks energized equipment. Green associated with materials and manufacturing of finished goods. Blue allocated to materials and manufacturing involving raw materials. Black used in materials and manufacturing for works in progress. Avoid using the color gray in signage, as our minds tend to instinctively overlook content displayed in this color. Combinations of colors also communicate specific meanings. Black and yellow stripes indicates areas with physical or health risks to employees. Red and white stripes highlights areas that must be kept clear for safety reasons. Black and white stripes designates areas that should be kept clear for operational purposes. Just as colors convey emotions in art, they also convey information in the workplace. Understanding this color code ensures everyone speaks the same visual language, fostering a safer and more efficient environment. Signs. Picture a bustling environment where each person, whether staff or visitor, is guided by clear instructions. In any high-traffic area, intuitive signage directs the flow. These signs serve as essential communication tools, leading us through tasks, potential risks, and essential information. They boost safety and productivity at every stage. Designing and implementing signs within a workspace revolves around several principles. Durability. Signs must endure various conditions. Using robust materials ensures that your messages remain intact and legible over time. Visibility. Clear and legible signs guide both employees and visitors effectively. Proper sizing and positioning ensure that important messages are never overlooked. Strategic placement. Signs should be positioned where they have the most impact, ensuring their intended audience receives the message effectively. Maintenance. Just as proper upkeep is vital for efficiency, regular maintenance of signs, ensuring they are tidy and free from obstructions, guarantees clear communication. Timely replacement. Signs that have faded or been damaged can lead to confusion. Promptly replacing these signs is crucial to maintaining a clear and effective communication. Line marking. In the 6S program, lines on floors play a pivotal role. These visual indicators employed on floors, counters, desks, tables, and more clearly designate where different items belong. Following the color-coding guidance discussed previously ensures optimal organization and precise positioning across various surfaces. For floor markings, adherence to established conventions is paramount. While U.S. federal regulations define safety color codes for physical hazards, floor lines typically demarcate specific areas. Durable, specially designed tapes, often favored over paint, are commonly used. Ideally, these lines should be at least 2 inches or 5 centimeters wide. Some managers express concerns about potential floor damage from tapes or paints. Yet, with many modern marking materials designed to be gentle on surfaces, these worries are often unfounded. By implementing line marking, organizations can witness notable improvements in their processes, heightened safety, and increased efficiency, as the clarity provided by these markings often outweighs initial concerns. Tool compartments. These are designated spaces often lined with foam to securely store and organize tools. We can cut out shapes for each tool and place them in our drawers. For added clarity, when space allows, label each cavity with the corresponding tool's name. Whether you utilize homemade compartments or ones that come with the tools, all serve the purpose effectively. If a tool is missing, we'll see a gap in the foam signaling it's time to locate it. Tool silhouettes and shadow boards. Shadow boards effectively showcase where items belong in your workspace, much like puzzle pieces fitting into their respective places. To create one, outline your tools on a board or wall and hang the tools over these outlines. This not only provides clear placement, but also helps maintain organization. Shadow boards can also be used to store other hangable items or indicate where signs should be hung. What can you do? Apply labels. Start by putting labels on your shelves and drawers. Use simple words or pictures that show what goes where. Color code your workspace. Consider how crayons are organized by color for quick selection. Similarly, use distinct hues in your workspace to define zones like work, personal, and supplies areas. Match colors with tasks. For example, red for bathroom cleaning and blue for office maintenance. Moreover, employ colors for statuses. Yellow signifies work in progress, while green indicates inspected items. This method streamlines organization, facilitating a smoother search process. Foam fun. If you have tool drawers, get some foam and make spaces for your tools. It's like a bed for them. Talk about it. Tell your colleagues about this cool stuff you've learned about workplace organization. Sharing is caring. Remember, set in order is like giving your stuff a cozy home. When everything has a place, work becomes easier and more fun. Let's keep going with our 6S journey.